Hey everybody, today I'm talking about LinkedIn and why it works. So my name is Kristen Dyck. I am a personal branding strategist at my company, Creative, and I get to work with ambitious women to help them reach their goals using my signature personal branding process. Okay, so LinkedIn. When I tell people that LinkedIn is my platform of choice, I get a whole range of responses. Everything from, are you kidding me? To, yeah, mine too. 50% of my business comes from LinkedIn. Or, yeah, I got my last job through LinkedIn. And everything in between. So you've probably heard so many times before that, yeah, you need to be on LinkedIn. You need to be on LinkedIn. But many of you are probably wondering, do I really need to be on here? And do I really need to be active on here? So the answer to both of those is yes. Yes, you do. You need to be on there. You need to have a profile. You need to optimize that profile. And I'm going to do another post on that because that optimization piece is huge. But why do you want to be on here and why do you want to be active on here? That's what I want to talk to you about today. Okay, so the first answer is that it makes you approachable. So the mere fact that you have a profile, that you are on a social media platform, makes you approachable to other people. They know you exist and they have the ability to reach out to you where they don't just know your email address or where you work or things like that, but it signals to people that you are on here to be active, to network with people, and there is a way to contact you. So that is huge. Number two, it increases your visibility. So if you are employed, then hopefully you are visible within your company because that is a really, really big thing, hugely important to your personal brand. But by being on LinkedIn and active on the platform, you are actually getting the power to grow your visibility outside of your workplace and even outside of the current in-person network that you have. So even if you're out there networking in person regularly, which I hope you do, yes, that is still possible to do in a pandemic, not the same way that we used to do it, of course, you're still never going to meet everybody that you could help, everybody that has the ability to help you. But having visibility online means that more people will know about you and what you do. So the more active that you are on LinkedIn, the more visibility that you have. And by creating your own posts as well as liking and commenting on others' posts, you increase the amount of time that your name and profile shows up in people's feeds. Okay, so number three, you can demonstrate your value. So I hope you have read my blog where I define personal branding as communicating your value. That is what it is. So anywhere that you can demonstrate your value is hugely important to your personal brand. So yes, a resume is one way for you to be able to do that, but resumes, being that they are limited in size. The media itself is very limited. And when you show that resume is also quite limited. So it puts limitations on you. It also doesn't let you show your skills in the same way that a platform like LinkedIn does. When you're on LinkedIn, you can really show your stuff. You can share photos, short posts, long form posts, or articles. You can talk about the work that you're creating, the services that you're providing, the problems that you are solving, different ways that you're collaborating, your thoughts on trends in your industry. There's just so many opportunities to talk about the unique value that you bring and to demonstrate that in real time. And I hope you are taking the opportunity to do that. So, what is your experience on LinkedIn? What has it been like for you? And what's holding you back from being more active? I would love to hear back from you on that. Let me know in the comments. Let's have a discussion. Tell me what you think about these 3 reasons. I'm going to go through them one more time: that it makes you approachable, that it increases your visibility, and then it lets you demonstrate your value. How are you doing all 3 of those? Are you looking at it through that lens? And are there any that are really important to you that I didn't mention here today? Thanks so much for watching, and let's connect on LinkedIn.